thunderstorm warning. Yeah, go inside, guys.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Broome County in central New York, southwestern Delaware County in central New York, Lackawanna County in northeast Pennsylvania, eastern Luzerne County in northeast Pennsylvania, western Pike County in northeast Pennsylvania, Susquehanna County in northeast Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeast Pennsylvania, eastern Wyoming County in northeast Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Brackney, Thrush to Oxter to Luzerne to Hazleton, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pittston by 7:36 p.m., Gray Bend, Old Forge, Factoryville, and Halstead by 7:38 p.m., Bear Creek, Whitehaven, Lochloom, and Nicholson by 7:40 p.m., Waverly, Dalton, and Glendale by 7:42 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for central New York and northeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne. The following is